Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Students, it's your teacher, Miss Sadia, again in the Zoom class. And today we will end up our this lesson, a balanced diet, by discussing our different topics which are being left. So, our today's topic is minerals. Okay, our today's topic is minerals. Minerals are required in very small quantities per day. However, they are essential for our ongoing health, and some of the main ones are calcium, iron, phosphorus, zinc. Okay, so it tells that we have already learned that minerals are the welfare foods, and we had discussed already that welfare foods are always taken in a small amount. Okay, we are not taking them in a big amount per day, but they are still essential for our ongoing health, means but they're still necessary for our healthy life or our um, it is a part of our balanced diet. Okay, so some of the main important minerals are calcium, iron, phosphorus, zinc, magnesium, and so on and so on. Okay, students, but today we will talk about only two minerals, that is, yes, that is iron and calcium. Okay, what are the two minerals today we will discuss? Calcium, iron, although there are many more minerals like potassium, sodium, magnesium, and zinc. Okay, so before going into the detail of this calcium and iron, I would like to show you this diagram. I hope every one of can you see that diagram. Okay, so dear students, here you can see that how in different food items we have different vitamins, which we have already discussed, and in which we have also different minerals. Okay, let's take an example of this eggs over here. Every one of you can see over here? Okay, good. So you can see that eggs have vitamin B, iron, and vitamin E. Okay, so this egg is a very important food because it is having vitamins, two types of vitamins, as well as a very important mineral, that is the iron. Okay, similarly, if you look into this example of milk, okay, everybody likes milk. So this milk, which is a very important part of our daily food, this milk has calcium. What it has? Calcium. Calcium is the very important mineral which is found in milk. Along with this mineral, it is having vitamin B2, B5, and B12. All these are the types of vitamins. Vitamin B2, B5, B12, etc. Okay. So right now, I have specifically told you about this uh, mineral calcium and iron. But if you have a look on the other food items, like here you can see that this spinach, I hope every one of you know what is spinach. It is a very healthy food which we cook in our daily life, and we all like it, I hope. So this spinach is also having iron in it, much iron in it, and along with that it is having which vitamin? Yes, it is vitamin E. Okay, it is having vitamin E. Then if we look into this fish, which is a type of meat, it is having omega 3, and it is also having vitamin D. Okay, if we look into this avocados, it is having vitamin B2, B5, B6, etc. Okay, carrots, yes, carrots have vitamin A in them. What they have? Vitamin A. And this vitamin A is, we have already learned that it is very good for our eyes. Okay, it is very good in our for our eyes. Vitamin B is very important because it is good for our normal growth of the body. Okay, and this vitamin D, which I talked over here, vitamin D, it is good for the bones and teeth. Okay, students, I hope you have well understand. Now, come come over this minerals again. I already told you there are many types of minerals, but we will specifically talk about this calcium and iron. So this calcium is a mineral that is good for the bones and teeth. What is its importance? That it is good for our bones and teeth. Okay, so they are found in milk, as you can see over here. Okay, it is found in milk, somehow cheese and other, but main source of calcium is this milk. Okay, that's why, dear students, you know that all the children and the kids especially drink milk in their growing age, because it makes your bones strong, it keeps your teeth healthy. That's why this milk is considered to be the best source of calcium. Okay, so moving next to this other mineral, that is this iron. I already told you in spinach iron is there, in eggs iron is there, and so on. So iron is a mineral which is found in liver and spinach. Okay, and it also helps in making red blood cells. Making red blood cells means it makes your blood. Okay, it helps to make new blood in your body. You are growing children, you need a good supply of blood in your body. So if you eat liver, I hope every one of you know what I mean by liver. Liver, which is a part of our meat, and if you eat green leafy vegetables, then it also helps to get more iron. Otherwise, apples are a very good source of iron. So all these food, as you can see in this picture, they are a rich source of iron. So by the intake of calcium, you have strong bones and teeth, and by the intake of iron, your red blood cells are being made, and it is also helping to make your new blood. Isn't it, students? Okay. Now, next to it is our next food nutrient is this water. Yes, students, water is most important part of our food, because without water we are not able to digest the things and to perform all the activities of the body. Okay, so let's talk about this most important part of our food, that is water. Yes. So you can see that over here, students, that our body is comprised of this water. By percentage, it is 70%. Means 70% of our body is being occupied by this water. Okay, and we must drink almost we must drink almost 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. I hope every one of you know that we must need almost 6 to 8 glasses, not at once, but periodically in the day we have to drink 8 or 6 glasses of water. Okay, students, and you can see over here that our different parts of the body need different amount of water. Let's see, like your brain, it comprises of 75% of water. Okay, your brain, which is the most important part of your body, it contains or has 75% of water. your lungs, which helps you in breathing and respiration, it is 90%. Your bones, yes, your bones, they have 24% of your 24% of water. Then your muscles, they are 75%, and this all help in you in uh, analyzing that how much food we have to how much water we have in our daily life. Okay, and you can see that blood is having 85%, your skin has 80% of your blood in the body, your muscles have 75%. Okay, so all these are required by, this is the percentages of water which is required by different parts of our body. So by this you can analyze or you can guess that this water is much important for each part of our body. Okay, so water is very important for the body. Why? Because it helps to carry substances from one part of the body to another. So what does it mean? That water helps us in digestion. Okay, when we eat food, uh, this water helps to take, when we also drink water, so this water helps us to take our food to the stomach, and from stomach to intestine, and from intestine it is entered into the blood, and then this blood carries or takes this digested food to all parts of our body. Then it carries food to the cells. It takes away unwanted food substances from the cells. Yes, all of you know, we have already discussed even that urination, or we excrete extra water from our body, which is not required by our body. So Allah has given us such an amazing body that yes, we need water, but if it is excessive water, it may comes out of our body in the form of urine, in the form of sweating. So this, in this way, our internal uh, level of water is maintained. Okay, students, I hope you have understand about it. Okay, now the next is about fiber. Oh my God, I hope this is a new topic for you. So what is this fiber? We also call them dietary fiber. What we call them? Dietary fiber. What it is? Fiber is very important part of our diet. Okay, maybe you are hearing about its name first time, but it is very important part of our diet. Fiber is actually that part of fruits, vegetables, and food grains that cannot be absorbed or digested by the body. Okay, so in this diagram, students, you can see what are the sources of dietary fibers. Okay, you can see apples, avocado, pear, walnuts, almonds, cereals, flour, carrots, broccoli, cabbage, oranges. So many fruits, grains, and nuts are there. Okay, they may be hard to digest, but once they are being digested in your body, they help you in digestion. I hope, students, sometimes you see that when you are eating, your stomach is not feeling good and you are feeling some heaviness in your stomach. So in this case, if you take the fibers in your diet, like I have given you examples of all this, it will try to digest all the even undigested part of your food, and it helps you to release the waste from the body, as well as it will also help you to clear your or help you in digestion. Okay, so this dietary fiber is very important part of our diet. Okay, we must eat fiber so that the food we eat can pass easily through the digestive system. And fiber help us in digestion, it helps us in our circulation of blood, it also helps to maintain our sugar level in the body, and it has so many benefits. But for you, you must understand that it helps you in digestion. Okay, so this was our last topic for the types of food. Now we are going for our another topic. What can be a complete diet? Okay, because our chapter is about a balanced diet, complete diet. So what is said to be, or what it can to be, what it is considered to be a complete diet? Okay, although we have discussed already that our diet must have carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, water, and dietary fiber, but still, according to some research, that if we are taking milk and eggs, they are said to be complete, almost complete diet. Okay, they are said to be almost complete diet because these two things contain all the food substances like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, fibers, everything they have. But except vitamin C, they are having all food substances in it. That's why milk is the food of kids and children. Okay, I hope every one of you like to drink milk daily, and I hope every one of you like eggs in any form. Okay, so these two foods like milk and eggs are considered to be the best or complete diet. Okay, why we call them complete diet? Because it has all the food substances. Okay, student, what we mean by food substances? It has carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fibers, and everything. Okay, so eggs and milk are especially given to those people as well who are weak and ill. Okay, means which are sick. So these two things, or these two food substances, are even very helpful for the weak people, means who are not energetic, and who are ill, means who remain sick for a long time, or if you have any sickness, after sickness you recover or you get back your energy through these two items even. Okay, so that can be called as a complete diet. Okay, so what we should do to be or for a healthy living now? Okay, so these are some tips for you which I have sharing with you. It is very important for our overall healthy living, like we drink water. Okay, it is what you are made of. Actually, your body has 70% of water in the body. We have just learnt about it, isn't it, students? So drink water, not at once, but with different, you can drink it in throughout the day. Okay, in small amount, but keep drinking water because it makes and it keeps you hydrated, means your body may not become dry, or this water will also help you to perform all the reactions going on in your body. Number two, do your exercise. This exercise is very important for your fitness. Okay, you must practice some exercise in a day, some day in a day, anytime. Then number three, breathe fresh air. That is very important, that you take in fresh air that is good for your internal like system, and it helps you to take in oxygen properly. Then number 4, go outside when the sun is out, especially in countries like Oman. We must not go outside in summer because this is very dangerous for your health. It can be dangerous for your health because it is very hot, and it may cause your skin burns, or it may it may affect your health. So if it is needed, you go outside when the sun is out. But nowadays, you know that because of that problem of corona, we have to stay inside or stay home. Okay, anyways, next is learn to relax. Okay, give some relaxation to your body, because it is helpful for your body, because otherwise your body become tense, your body becomes stressed anyhow. Number 6, eat your fruits in any form, in any way. You try to keep eating fruits, because we have learned a lot about it already, that these fruits have minerals, different vitamins in it, and these minerals and vitamins are essential part of our food, and it is necessary for our ongoing health. Okay, then you eat your vegetables. Yes, students, this vegetables are also very important for your daily life, because if you will not take them in your body, it will affect your body in other ways. And always taking meat in your diet is also not healthy for you. Okay, then eat whole grains like bread, rice, and all different types of breads you can eat for your healthy living. And then uh, get to the bed on time, means you have to take good hours of sleep, or you have to take like 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily, and you have to sleep on time so that you can get on time in the morning. So students, these were some of the uh, lifestyles I have shared with you, that what things can keep you healthy throughout the life. Okay, what are they? I repeat: drink water, it's what you are made of; do your exercise, breathe fresh air, go outside when the sun is out, learn to relax, eat your fruits, eat your vegetables, eat whole grains, and go to the bed on time. Yes. Okay, let's have a look on next now. What is this, students? What I'm sharing with you? I hope you have learned about this diagram before in mathematics. Maybe this shape, although it is called as a triangle, but a triangle in which at the base it is broader, and as we go up it becomes shrink. That type of shape is called as pyramid. What we call it? Pyramid. So this food pyramid will also help you for healthy living. Okay, means first of all it says that you drink 6 to 8 glasses of water or fluid daily. Okay, then at the base of this pyramid you can see that all the essential cereals and that grains we have to take in more, means because this is these are the examples of carbohydrates, so it intake in much quantity is necessary for your body. Okay students, like in my first lesson, I already told you that carbohydrates are the main energy giving food. Okay, so we must uh, take much carbohydrates in our daily diet. Okay, next is the category of vegetables and fruits. Why, students? Because we learned a lot about it, that different fruits and different vegetables have different vitamins and different minerals in it. And we have learned about the functions of vitamins and minerals in our body already. Okay, students? So next to it means now its intake must be a bit lesser than your vegetables and even more lesser than your carbohydrates. So what these things are: meat, poultry. Poultry means milk and sorry, this eggs and all the egg products and milk products are called as poultry. Fish, eggs, dry beans, and dairy products. Okay, means meat. Poultry means eggs and all that. Fish, eggs, dry beans, and dairy products. You also take them, but eat moderately. Means you not eat too much eggs, too much meat, too much fish, too much pulses, too much dairy products. You must take, but a bit in a bit reasonable amount. Okay, and your last but not the least part will be this: fats, oils, salts, and sweets. I already told you, students, why not this chocolate is having carbohydrates in it, and carbohydrates are rich source of energy, but still we take it in a reasonable amount or in a lesser amount, because it contains carbohydrates, but it also has much sugar in it, and intake of this much sugar is not good for our body. Okay, so this fats and oils, I already told you, students, it is already being taken in a lesser amount. Okay, now this is called as the food pyramid. Means we must take we must have a healthy living and we must take a balanced diet, but in which quantity we have to take the food, it is being provided to you in the form of this food pyramid. Okay, then next to it is that how you can have a healthy and complete life. Okay, you walks on fresh air because it is very good for your healthy life. You must take fruits. You have a daily life routine, a proper life routine. You must take vegetables. You must take care of your fitness. You must take cereals, and you at least take 2 liters of water a day. Okay, so that is your overall review of the chapter, that we not only take healthy and balanced diet, but we also have to concentrate on the, yes, we must have to concentrate on the lifestyles, that our routine must be very proper. Our daily intakes, we must be careful about our daily intakes. We must have proper sleep. We must have some exercise in a day. We must have to take care of our fitness and all that. That is all for our chapter number 3, a balanced diet. I hope you have understand it well.